So it's not a suitable place for me to record this video. And
2 hours later.
okay, the sound just no. Let's start it again. Well, I'm just going to proceed this video, okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, welcome to my channel. So happy new year, and I hope you guys have a great journey this year, and so do I hope so. I really hope. For the next video, for this video, I'm going to make a little bit difference from the past video because it's 2020, right? So I have to make a little bit change for my content. And today I'm going to create some orangey pinky eye makeup look by using this palette that I bought from online. It's very affordable, so you can search it out at Shopee because I bought it there from their official shop. It has 40 colors, which very pretty, nice color. And this palette called Color Fusion Over the Rainbow, and it says here it's very high pigmentation and easy to blend. Let's go find out. Let's start the video. Let's start. Okay, so this is the final look. So the outcome of this look on this palette, well, it's very pigmented and very easy to blend. It's very easy to blend, just like it says in the palette. So I recommend you guys to buy this palette, and that's it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching my video. So just wait for the next video. I hope I will have some free time to make it. So thank you for watching, and I love you guys.